Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monopoly Go account suspended error. The error reads, "Account suspended. Your account was found to be in violation of our terms of services and is now temporarily suspended. If you feel this action has been made in error, please contact support." As per our research, the error comes when users try to access Monopoly Go but are unable to log in because their account has been temporarily suspended. According to our research, the error is triggered when a user violates the terms of service of the game. This includes activities like cheating, using third-party software, exploiting in-game systems, using scripts or automation tools, or any kind of fraudulent behavior. The first thing we suggest is to check the error message carefully. On the error screen, you will see the exact time period for which your account is suspended. You simply have to wait till that time is over. Once the suspension time is complete, you will be able to access your account again. So just wait, and you will be able to use your account again. If the error still comes even after the suspension time is over, then we recommend you to contact the Monopoly Go support team. You can do this by selecting the Contact Support option shown on the error screen. Simply explain your issue to the support team. Once your account is accessible again, make sure you avoid doing anything that goes against the game's terms of service. This will help prevent future suspensions. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.